Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a highly recommended video. People always love my cash advance, my payday loans, my quick day loans that you could get instantly with no credit check. So I'm gonna give you 3 right now. 2 of them actually is new. 1 of them been around for a couple years. So the first one on the list is the Tilt cash advance that you'll be able to get up to $400 as long as you got a job. I don't care if you're on welfare. As long as you can provide some kind of income in that checking account, they could give you approval. Now, what Tilt, which is really good, you could get a cash advance or you could get a line of credit between $200 to $400. And if not, you could start getting a credit card with them and start building your credit, which is really good, I will have to say, with 12. So again, with them offering that cash advance, that line of credit, and the credit card, this is a new app that you could download it to your phone instantly and get approval within minutes, right? So let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is the grant. The grant cash advance loan, again, you could get up to $350 in minutes, no credit check, low fees, and fast delivery. Now you could get this long as, again, you connect your checking account with Grant. They go in there, see what you got going on, and they can base you approval. So it doesn't matter if you get in Social Security, if you're on welfare, if you cutting grass for a living but you got deposits in that checking account, you can get approval, right? This is easy and this is simple. Let's go on to the last one. Is earning. Now earning, I did a video probably about 2 years ago. They're another easy one to get approved with, and long as you're getting some deposit in that checking account, you can get a cash advance with them with no interest, with no credit check. And this is simple and easy, people. I want to see everybody win. A lot of people always send me emails saying to do more videos on cash advance paydays, but again, I'd rather you do it the right way. Fix your credit and go get some actually loans where you could get $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. But I understand everybody's in a different position in their life and their credit report might not be ready for that. But again, if you're getting some kind of checks, if you're getting some kind of deposits in that checking account, you could go ahead and download all 3 of these apps. The Tilt, which you got, again, you got the cash advance, the line of credit, and the credit card, the grant, and the earning. Go ahead, download all 3 of them and go get that free money absolutely with no credit check. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.